Hello everybody, my name is Will and I'm really happy because in today's video I start a new section in my YouTube channel, and as you can see I will speak complete in English in this section. That is because two principal reasons. And first of all, I want to share with people from another countries, with people from another cultures, how is living in Mexico, how is working as a maintenance supervisor in a factory, something about my career, something about my personal life. And the second reason is because I want to improve my English. So feel free to correct something about my speaking and share it with me through the text box. So today I am working in my office. Today I'm working in my computer because some days ago the operation department report us a problem with a control valve. So in the process of solving the problem, we identify that the valve does not has a preventive maintenance program. So today I'm working in my computer designing the preventive maintenance program for this control valve. And I think that's it. I hope this is a quiet day. So I hope you are enjoying this video, and please tell me what is your opinion, what do you think about this idea through the text box. Please give me a like and share it with your friends.